getting in. Today, giving you a little tour of my room. I just checked in. This is at Hilton, Capital Hilton. Looks like it's pretty spacious. It's just a Queen Deluxe Room. Got some pretty nice lamps over here. Check this out. Got a full-size mirror. It's huge. It's bigger than me. Let's check the view outside. So outside of the this is not really that great of a view. It's just another building here. And you know, not being like not a big person or whatever, like this is pretty good. I think this one still the same view as the other window. The other window from right there. But yeah, it's pretty loud outside. There's a bunch of cop cars and ambulances or whatever. So here's my little desk over here. Make it right, Hilton. TV's okay. I think the TV is pretty far though, like from the bed. So if I'm just like chilling here, seems pretty far, but overall pretty decent room. How much did I pay for this? I paid $50 or something, plus like 15,000 points. And this is in DC, so not bad. Let's check the bathroom here. Light, open. Okay, pretty nice countertop. Let's see what we got here. We got some body lotion. We got shampoo. We got conditioner. Bath soap. Shower cap. Interesting. And facial soap. Interesting. Okay. Toilet. Pretty regular. I mean, I don't. Oh, the towels are right there. Towels are right there. I think usually they put them up on a thing over here, but it doesn't have it. Just regular looking shower. Nothing too fancy, nothing too bad. Just regular. I mean, it's what you'd expect. But yeah, this is not bad. Not bad. Again, only paid $50 plus some points. Overall, it's looking pretty good. It's gonna be my room for the night. Definitely worth it. And I got 2 free water bottles with it. 1, 2, right there. This is pretty good. Pretty comfy. Yeah, nice clean sheets. It's looking good. Look at that, comfy. All right, so I just laid down on the bed. Oh my goodness, everyone! Like this is super comfy. This is actually really comfy. Like the sheets are super comfy. They're soft. Oh my goodness, the blanket. Everything about this bed is just what I need for a good night's sleep after a couple days of busyness. Would I recommend it again? Yes. What do y'all think? Would you stay here? Let me know in the comments below. Check the thermostat right here. The carpet also looks pretty good actually. Look at that. Not really, yeah, it's pretty good. I like it. It's 71, a little too hot for me. Let's do not auto, let's just do, oh, it's off for auto, you can't turn it to on. Let's do fan on high. The little work desk right here. One thing I am noticing is that there isn't a room service menu. Usually most hotels would have a room service menu. Let's see if it's in here. Historic Hotels of America, probably not. Washington D.C, which is where I'm at. Again, this is a Capital Hilton. I don't seem to see a room service thing. This is really nice though. Like if you just want to sit down here, if you had friends over, just hanging out at the little windowsill, it's fine. Maybe I'll check the cabinets here. Nope. Yeah, I don't know if there's room service here. There seems to be a full-size bar, but that's surprising. Interesting. And there it is. There's my room tour. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and a sub below. Otherwise, I'm gonna go rest